the season. So I thought what better way to celebrate than to show you my charm collection. This is a collection of bulk charms that I've collected over the years for Crocs or my daughter's shoes. And I thought it'd be fun if we decorate a cutie crown. So I'm going to pick a few football inspired charms and let's get started. I'm going to choose my blue crown for today. And since these are, generic bulk charms, sometimes these will fit a little bit looser than the brand name Gibbets charms. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but those little hair bands that we use for hair, they work perfect to make a super snug fit on the back of these. So I've already done one on there. I just take a few seconds, I put them around the back, just because some of the charms I want them to be completely facing up. And I think I'm going to do the helmet in the beginning, so I'm doing 45-degree angle, just pushing that one, and then I'm straightening it, and it's got a really nice snug fit. And then I'm going to do my football on the side, and then trophy. Perfect. So there we go. Ready for football season.